Hello, good morning. It's that time of the month again. I'm going to show you the new release of Scrapdiv, and yeah, you will see a lot of releases these days. So here we go. All is available March 1 at scrapdivadesigns.com, and the dies are sponsored. And I already crafted with a few dies, but here we go. I'm going to show you. Look at these pockets. Aren't these beautiful? I think there is a die with this one, but bigger. You can use it like a storage item, and it looks similar. But this is for a pocket. But of course you can make it. You can make the same. So yeah, I really like this one, and I can't wait to to see what you can make with it. This is the A2 pocket. Then we've got, and this is gorgeous. It's a mini album, and this is the 3D vintage storybook. And yeah, it's not really that. It's not a mini album. I'm wrong. It's a book, and yeah, you can make it like a round bed. Yeah, it's gorgeous. It's a really fun die, and this is the first project I am making. So yeah, this is great. Then we've got this tulip mini album, which is beautiful. You can see. Oh, I can't wait. This is gorgeous for shakers. It's really this really got my attention. I just love it. It's gorgeous. Then we've got those, and I think this is also really fun. Those let me see how they are called. Well, it's the coffee mug barcode. Yeah, I could have figured it out by myself, but yeah, this is so much fun for a project, for a card, or for a photo in your scrapbook album. So yeah, this is going to be lovely. Then we've got some Easter stamps. It's the Easter stamp set 2025. Look. Some bunny loves you. Happy Easter. Did some bunny say chocolate? Carrot's Easter bunny. Well, you can see it. Super much fun. Yeah, this is so much fun. Snuggle bunny. One cute chick. Great. Then we've got those gorgeous butterfly. Last year she also had gorgeous butterflies. Oh, this will be great. And let me see how they are called. The butterfly set. Yeah, it's just, this will be great. And maybe I'm going to make a box with it, but not sure if it's going to work, but yeah. Well, then we've got some Easter words. Not really sure what it says. I can see flower, maybe celebrate, I don't know. But yeah, this is flower. It's the Easter words too, so it says there has been other set, and there is. Look, this carrot mini album / shaker is just gorgeous. This is going to be great. There is some grass, and I think this is funny, it's easy, and it's really effective because you know what it is, and I like that. Then we've got this one, and this one has a this is gorgeous. This is a 3D egg carrier, but there went something wrong with manufacturing, so this will be released later. So you can pre-order it from Scrapdiva's website, but yeah, you'll have to check her website to see the good information, because it's not available in the release in March, but it will be available. But you'll have to check her information. But yeah, it's great. There we've got a bunny ice cream. Look, you can see already. This is going to be so much fun. Yeah, ice cream bunny, love it. Then we've got this one. This is a add-on to your A2 card box. I don't have the A2 card box. Maybe I'll have to get it, because this is so much fun. I really love the flowers, and I think this is going to be perfect with my doodlebug paper. So yeah. Then we've got I was going to say Valentine, but the Easter words 1. And here it says egg. Hunt. So yeah, this is going to be lots of fun, of course, for your crafts. Then we've got the last one already. And this is the 3D Easter display box. Yeah, look, this is going to be so much fun. Really Easter with the rabbit and the carrots. Yeah, super much fun. So yeah, this already is the release. It's available March 1. And stay tuned for other crafters and for my crafts, of course, because there are going to be make some beautiful crafts to get inspired. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.